Hello everyone, I hope you're well. Today we're going to be making Bella the bunny. So let's draw the head. And now we're going to draw its body. So after you've done the body, we're going to make its arms. So now we're going to draw its feet, also the grass to make it more bunnyish. So we're going to make the ears and the eyes. It's really easy. We're going to make its nice big round eyes. Bunny is almost ready and the eyes are really sparkly. Do you know what bunnies eat? Yes, Bunny eats carrots. So let's draw some carrots. What should we name this bunny? What about Bella? Yes, Bella the bunny. We are going to do the exciting part. We are going to color the bunny in. So I'm going to use pink for the ears, same as the nose. And I'm also going to use orange and green for the carrots. Hope you liked the video and don't forget to share, like and subscribe. See you next time.